Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn Abacus Teacher's Training Book page number 7. If here 1 or 2 is there, easily we can add 7. But if here 3, 4 or any other number is there, we can't add 7. That time we have to use a formula. 7 is equal to minus 3 plus 10. Now we are going to learn few sum related to this formula. Now I am going to solve sum C, F and J. Sum C 72, 1 and 7. For 7 we use formula minus 3 plus 10. So answer is 80. Sum F 6, 2, 17. For 17 first we will do 10 and for 7 we use formula minus 3 plus 10. So answer is 25. Question number J 3, 1, 27. So first we will do 20 and for 7 we use formula. So answer is 31. Now if here 1, 2, 3 number is there, we can add 6. But if 4 or 9 is there, we can't add 6. That time we have to use a formula 6 is equal to minus 4 plus 10. Now we are going to learn few sum related to this formula. Now I am going to solve sum K, O and S. Sum K 54, 10 and 6. For 6 we use a formula minus 4 plus 10. So answer is 70. Sum O 14, 6. For 6 we use a formula minus 4 plus 10. Now again 6, easily we can add 6. So answer is 26. Question number S 8, 1 and 26. For 26 first we add 20 and for 6 we use a formula. So answer is 35. After each sum it's mandatory to clear the abacus.